Quick question. What device do you mostly use to consume audio or video content? I'm sure many of you would say this, a smartphone.
These mobile devices have become the go-to solution for most of our content consumption, and that's what we are here to talk about.
Hey guys, I'm Cyrus and this is Experience Dolby with Gadgets 360, and today I talk to you about how you can get the best audio experience on your smartphone and turn it into your personal entertainment hub just with a few helpful tips. So let's begin.
Most smartphones today offer support for Dolby Atmos that boosts the overall sound quality and revolutionizes how you experience music, movies, podcasts, and games on your phone. All you need to make sure of is that your smartphone supports Dolby Atmos for that lifelike audio experience.
When enabled on a device, Dolby Atmos doesn't require a user to select it, nor is there a need for any special pair of headphones.
With Dolby Atmos, envelop yourself in a rich soundscape that unleashes every detail as it was meant to be heard, with unparalleled clarity, depth, and realism. Another highlight is that Dolby Atmos enabled phones are also available in all price segments, so you're not spoiled for choice.
I know it's a small screen, but doesn't mean that you cannot enjoy a movie on this. Remember that along with your device, your OTT service also needs to provide support for Dolby technology.
What's great is that most of the top OTT platforms, including music and podcast streaming services, offer Dolby content.
So do a bit of research to find out which music streaming service, podcasts, movies, and games offer support for Dolby Atmos. Because without it, you're missing out on a lot. As per a recent consumer study, Indians consider audio quality to be one of the most important factors while selecting a phone. Since most of you are listening to music on your phones these days, make sure that your phone offers support for Dolby Atmos.
Even your favorite artists use Dolby Atmos to create music that makes you feel like you're inside the song. No matter what you're listening to, songs are now richer and fuller, unlocking new levels of emotions in Dolby Atmos. You see, Dolby Atmos optimizes and personalizes the music on your phone so that you get lifelike, spectrally natural audio that offers enhanced bass and clear speech for mobile-first content.
Ever wanted to immerse yourself in a more intense gaming experience, one that brings to you crystal clear and hair-raising realism to even the busiest of battlefields? Make sure that your phone is Dolby Atmos enabled.
Dolby Atmos places the sounds of the game all around you with three-dimensional precision so that you can react faster to pinpoint enemy positions.
These were some of the tips on how you can get that cinema experience on your smartphone with the help of Dolby. This is Cyrus John signing off on yet another segment of Experience Dolby with Gadgets 360. I'll be seeing you very soon in the next video.